Hello mga kabibig, welcome back sa bagong YouTube channel. Ito ang pinakamaingay na YouTuber sa lahat ng YouTube. Ako si Kabibig Maglabag-labag na tao with evidence. Ako po, sumingaw ang baho ni NBI witness Kalilong, binulgar ni Mike Romero. Itong si NBI Kalilong, ito yung witness ng prosecution. Siya yung ginisa kanina, siya yung tinanong ng prosecution kanina kabibig. Nako, ng pagsampa ni NBI Kalilong mga kabibig, naglabas ng komento si Mike Romero. Itong si Mike Romero kabibig, ito yung ano ba? Ito yung pinag-uusapan noon. Ito ha, i-share ko lang sa inyo ha, kung ano ang ating na nalaman na istorya. Totoo kaya kabibig? Naku po, mga kabibig. Para yatang, naku, ang baho ni NBI Kalilong, isa-isa nang lumabas. Ito kabibig, oh. Ito yung pinagsasabi natin. Ito, oh. From Mike Romero, a man who go in my house and arrest me without court order and also without warrant, NBI agent Kalilong. Nagpanggap na nagpapaayos ng laptop sa akin that time. Oh, ito sabi niya, oh, I want to have a confirmation also from lawyer system if this man, Agent Kalilong, is a true lawyer. Kasi yan ang pakilala niya sa akin at that time. I want to know only. Ito pa. After you read my comment regarding your move this day, I want to say that I respected our communication, which began after you got me, because I understood the full context of the situation and considered you one of my new friends at NBI. However, because you have now acted as witness in the move to impeach VP Sara, I am cutting ties with you. Respect me if you want me to respect you as well. Do not try to communicate me also. Hala, naku po. Yan. Ang bait talaga yan ng universe, sabi ni Raquel. Kay Inday Sara, kusang lumalabas agad yung mga magde-debunk. Kaka-out niya lang, sayang naman yung 2 weeks training niya. Na expert, na expert na after 2 weeks training, expertise journey, 4 years in college, 2 weeks in training. Kabibig ha? Yan ang komento na iba. Kahapon, meron nagbula sa gilid ng mouth. To din naman, pinag-uusapan talaga ngayon after nag-post si Mike Romero kabibig. Naku po, para yatang na sumingaw ang baho ni NBI agent Kalilong dahil kay Mike Romero. Hindi lang dahil kay Mike Romero, meron ding iba kabibig. Like for ito kabibig ha, i-share ko lang sa inyo ha. Yung post naman ng ito. Ito kasi, ito. Nasaan ba to? Wait for our hanapin din kabibig ha. Yan, ito Ito di ba nasabi natin yan. Ito rin iba tangina to yung agent na isa sa nag-interview sa akin nung pumunta ako sa NBI para harapin yung supern ako. Witness ka pala, daming racket idol ha. Yan si Mr. Jack. Ito daw yung nag-interview sa kanya, ngayon witness na. Hala ka. Naku. Dalawa na ang nagde-debunk sa sa NBI agent. Di ba ala? Ano kayong ibig sa nako po? Yan. Ito kasi ang post ni Mr. Mike Romero, headshot. Tapos, ang tawag dito, pinatawag siya ng NBI at noon, si Mr. Kalilong. Yan A man who go in my house and arrest me without court order and also without warrant, NBI agent Kalilong. Nagpapanggap na nagpapaayos ng laptop sa akin that time. Yan kabibig. Nako po, para yatang ewan ko sa inyo kabibig kung lumabas ba ang mga istorya kabibig, ano nangyari. Nako, ano ang iyong komento dito mga kabibig? Ito ang kanilang plano ay gamitin ako bilang saksi laban kay VP Sara Duterte. Ngunit nabigo ito dahil kumilo sila ng maaga bago pa man masuri ng lubusan ang aking pagkakakinlanlan. napagtanto nilang hindi nila maipapagpatuloy ang kanilang balak ayon sa plano. Ooh, naku, paano yan? May nagdidibang, kabibig. Ano ang iyong komento hinggil dito? Naku po. Si NBI Kalilong. Si NBI Kalilong, kabibig. Na-debunk. Ano ang iyong kabibig hinggil dito? Ako naman, wala namang imposible kung magiging witness siya, kabibig. Pero may mga tao talagang question talaga yung kayang sarili. Lalo na Erwin Tulfo asked NBI agent John Michael to clarify the notes he reportedly referred during his testimony and whether this as evidence. Ito, kabibig, ha. Si Tulfo din. Gusto din sa tanongin itong si Kalilong kung ano ba talaga yung mga notes mo. Ito, kabibig, ha. Parang nadududa na ba ang mga senator judges kay Kalilong? Let's watch this.
Just a clarificatory question. The witness here, for the record, mentioned that he was referring to notes. Kanina pa po ito. Could he please clarify what specific notes he was referring to? Who prepared those notes? When were they prepared? And were they made before, during, or after the events he had testified about? And also, these notes, nabigyan po ba ang defense ng Capitol? Was this submitted as part of the evidence also, Mr. Presiding Officer? Additionally, the question is, was he relying on these notes to refresh his recollection while giving his testimony today? So,
witness will please answer the question of Senator Judge Erwin Tulfo.
This is my investigator's notes, which I made during the time of investigation, sir.
my next question would be, was this also presented? Since notes niyo po ito, pinagbabasihan niyo po yung mga testimonya niyo rito, sinabit niyo rin po ba ito as an evidence so that mare-refer din po ang defense, Mr. Witness?
Yung content po ng affidavit, ng notes ko is nandun na po sa affidavit of investigation, sir.
Yung copy exactly ng
notes po. No, sir.
Hindi nyo na ibigay. That's all, Your Honor.
Thank you, Senator Judge Erwin Tulfo.
And can I
Counsel for the prosecution.
Can I make a manifestation, Your Honor, please, that the witness referred to his notes when answering specific questions as to actual statements made by the Vice President and the others, number one. And number two, in referring to the actual timestamps of the video. For these specific reasons, the witness was referring to his notes. As to his answers for the other substantial questions, he was not referring to his notes, Your Honor, please.
Your Honor, we move to strike the manifestation. He's already testifying on behalf of the witness.
Your Honor, we cannot move to strike a manifestation of counsel. The good counsel could do his own manifestation. That's not in the rules.
I would like the Honorable Court to rule, Your Honor.
Motion is denied. Let it stay and remain in the records in response to the query of Senator Judge Erwin Tulfo.
So yun, kabibig, parang, well, gusto lang ng clarification si Erwin Tulfo hinggil doon. Pati din ang kanyang kapatid na si Raffy Tulfo. Gusto din na may mga katanungan din siya. Ito, kabibig, oh.
Sabi mo meron kang 2 weeks lecture.
2 weeks lecture.
Experience as a digital evidence expert. Is that right? 2 weeks?
2 weeks training.
Wala kang iba pang training?
I have a training on different digital forensic aspect.
Dito sa abroad meron?
Meron po, pero yung specific sa photo and video authentication, yun po yung 2 weeks.
So all in all total you have 2 years experience plus 2 weeks lecture lang pagdating sa authentication ng forensic evidence?
For the photo and video, sir.
For the photo and video, which ito yung pinag-usapan natin yan.
Yes po.
Now, my question to you, in your testimony, Mr. Witness, you did mention that you personally investigated the alleged inciting to sedition by the VP Sara Duterte video, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Now, in doing so, in the course of your investigation, did you look at the comment section? If you did, ano yung mga reactions doon?
Yeah.
Ano yung mga statements doon sa comment section? na mga na-view ng videos?
There are comments that they agreed to the statement of the Vice President, but it was not documented, sir.
That's all, Mr. Presiding Officer. Thank you.
Yun, kabibig ha.
Just a clark.
Naku po.
Sir.
Sabi na, ito sabi ni Mr. Jack Rios, yan. Tapos ito I only started considering myself as an IT expert after hitting a 10-year mark in hardware and software services. Yet this guy Kalilong claims to be an expert after two weeks on training. What the? Di ba? Iba ni si Kalilong. Hala ka, paano yan kabibi? Marayatang mag-isip-isip na sila. Kung itong si Kalilong napapatagang paniwalaan to. Well, nagsasabi naman siya ng nag-take an oath naman siya, nagsabi siya katotohanan. So, ano ang iyong reaction hinggil dito mga kabibig? Komento niyo mga kabibig hinggil dito. 2 weeks 2 weeks training, lecture, IT expert na siya kabibig. Grabe. Iba si NBI Kalilong. Iba na, 2 weeks training pa lang, wala na. Sobra pa sa genius yung niya, yung talent niya, di ba? Yung iba ngang mga yung iba nga mag-aaral ng 4 years, may additional pa na another 2 years for masteral. Itong si Kalilong 2 weeks lang. NBI Kalilong, di ba? Ikaw na lang magkalilong. Iba ang power ni Kalilong kabibig. 2 weeks pa lang. Ikaw, ano ang inyong komento mga kabibig hinggil dito kay NBI Kalilong mga kabibig? Comment down below. Napakagaling ni NBI Kalilong mga kabibig. Ganun talaga. Wala tayong magagawa. Ganun siya kagaling. Di ba? Ganun siya kagaling si NBI Kalilong. So, yun lang muna kabibig ang ating Libak-Libak for today. Ano ang iyong komento hinggil dito sa napakagaling ni NBI Agent Kalilong at yung mga sumingaw na baho, sumingaw na mga impormasyon galing kay Mr. Jack, galing kay Mike Romero, na itong si NBI Agent Mike Romero, ito daw yung nagtawag dito, ng warrant of arrest niya. Tapos itong si kay Mr. Jack the Reals, yung nag-interview niya, sabi ni Mr. Jack, ang daming sideline mo ha. Dami mong trabaho. Ikaw kabibig, ano ang inyong komento? Ako excited ako bukas pa sa depensa to ask the NBI agent. Oo, tingnan natin kung ano ang sasagot ng NBI agent, kung ano ang mga tanong ng depensa hinggil sa NBI agent. Yun lang po kabibig. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Bye everyone. See you next time.